Okay, I'm Tim from TorontoSpaParts.com. Today we're talking about our Intermatic pool timers. Intermatic is a really great company. They make nice high quality pool timers. This specific model is a T104P201. It's the Hydro King 2 circuit time switch. This one happens to have a 208 277 volt clock motor in it, so make sure you're matching the right product for your application. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 1-888-420-1007. So here's the actual timer itself. Really nice, rugged kind of mud box on it, dust-proof, damp-proof. Keeps it nice and sealed, so this is fine to be installed right outside. Mount it to the side of your house, right by your pool equipment, inside of a pool shed. Has really great instructions on it here, so you can see how to wire the thing up. A nice protector on the front. This protector comes off to allow you to wire it. Once you've wired, the protector needs to go back on. Covers all the live circuits here. One thing you don't want to do is get your hand onto these circuits and get a nice little zap. The timer body itself comes out of the housing, so this is specifically what we're talking about. The special thing about this timer is it does everything a regular timer does. Wire it up. The time clock is being controlled from these two power lines coming in here. Put your load line onto here. You have a manual switch to turn everything on and off. And these little doohickeys here, one says on, one says off. Little screws mount right onto the time clock face and control when the timer turns itself on and off. Allows you to reduce the amount of time that you're running your pool pump. One big problem that we're seeing nowadays is people are using timers alongside of a heater that they've got in their pool. Obviously, we're in Canada here, and people kind of like their pool heaters. The issue is if you shut down your pool heater at the exact same time you shut down your pool pump, all of the heat that's been stored in the copper of the heat exchanger within your heater transfers into the pool water, boils the pool water out. That scorching hot water will come out into the plumbing lines as it kind of boils over. Once it's boiled over, we'll do some major damage to plumbing lines, pumps, filters, all sorts of things can be melted, but mainly plumbing lines, especially if you see people with flex piping on their pool. The neat thing about this timer here, little micro switch just down inside of here. That micro switch is just a switch turning on and off something else. So specifically we use this for pool heaters. That switch is being activated 20 minutes before the pool pump itself shuts off. Gives the heater a nice chance to cool down, thereby stopping or eliminating most of the damage to your plumbing lines. So these two wires here just get wired into the fireman's switch, or even just a safety circuit on just about any pool heater can be controlled with this. Electric heaters, propane heaters, natural gas, doesn't make a difference. They've all got some type of safety circuit in it, and that can be linked into that circuit. One place where we're seeing these timers now used as well is with saltwater systems. The issue with the saltwater system is you're producing a good amount of chlorine as the water is coming through the salt cell. That chlorine, if it backs up and comes into a heater, is extremely corrosive and can destroy even the newer cupro-nickel heat exchangers in pool heaters. So sometimes you'll see these tied into the circuit that's controlling a salt system. I've even seen situations where this circuit here is tied into a relay. That relay then can be used to control multiple things. So if you had a double pole relay, you could shut down your pool heater and your salt system 20 minutes before the pool pump, give the chlorine a chance to move out of the cell and the heater a chance to cool down. Any questions, feel free to email us. My email is tim@torontospaparts.com. View our other videos. If you have any questions, call the 1-800 number, 1-888-420-1007. And thanks for watching.